I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the mfish Power Station 240. It is an amazing upgrade for your desk or anywhere else that you're going to use this kind of a technology. It's got 3 power outlets on the top, plus it's got USB-C on the side here. And it offers some amazing features. Let's have a look. Right off the bat, you're going to notice that this is made tough. It is really solid, and it's got 3 outlets right here on the front. And one thing I really like that mfish has done with this power station is that they've made these outlets spaced out properly. So you can use those big chunky adapters that you sometimes get, and they'll all fit on here. You don't have to worry. Inside the actual outlet, there's actually LED lights. And you can easily change the color of the LED lights just by pushing the button here on the side. Or you can turn it off altogether if you don't want any lights whatsoever. So you do have some flexibility there. Now, on this side, you have your USB-C ports. You have a 140 watt, 100 watt, and 230 watts. So really, you can easily power up all of your devices, not a problem whatsoever. And just to be clear, this 240 watts is altogether 240 watts. It's not, each one giving you 240 watts. Like I said, it's 140, 100, 30, and 30. So you have some flexibility of how you want to do it. Now, one of the things that you may come across is what happens if you have a device that drains more power. So let's say, charging your phone versus charging your laptop. Obviously, a laptop's going to require more power. So they have smart technology built into this device that will automatically set the current to go to the right spot. So you don't have to worry about one getting the wrong amount of power or maybe overcharging one device and undercharging another. As long as you plug it into the right spot, and of course, as long as you're using the correct cable, so a USB-C cable that supports that kind of voltage or wattage, it won't be a problem whatsoever. This power station is meant to sit on your desk. It is solid, it is well made, it is heavy, it's got some weight to it, which I really love. And it's got a braided cable that plugs into the wall, and that's a 5-foot cable, which is just also really well thought out. So you're not gonna have to go and run an extension cable. This is long enough to get from your desk to your wall outlet, no problem. The mfish E-Tank Power Station 240 does support 240 watts, and that's referring to your USB ports. So those 4 USB ports can support up to 240 watts. But you still have these separate 3 outlets here. And because this works like a power bar works, it also can support up to 1250 watts so that you can use it like a normal power bar on your desk. If you want to plug in your computer, your laptop, other devices, it's not a problem whatsoever. It really is just a great solution for a desk. Whether you're looking to improve the way your desk looks, the aesthetics of it, or you just need something that's super functional and gives you a lot of power. This mfish E-Tank Power Station 240 is a great choice with its 4 USB ports here on the side, 3 outlets here with LED lights that light up in different colors. It's just a great device for your desk, and it really is very functional for anyone who needs more power on their desk. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.